What's up? It's I1, and today I welcome you to the very famous park of Moscow in Russia. It's called the Park Tsaritsino. It's a bit windy today, so I'm sorry for the sound. But look how beautiful it is. There's like a huge lake and a lot of forest. Actually, there is even some palace here, and I'm not sure if we will get there because it's super windy and super cold. Yeah! Here is one of the entrance, and that's how it looks like. This is the map of the park itself. As you can see, it's super big, and right now we're here. There's one parking space, another one, some big lakes here, and a lot of forest where you can walk. It's real forest, looks like this. And there are also some palace, King's Palace, so there's a lot of things to see here.
Ah, here's my hat. Here's me.
So this park, it is very civilized. As you can see, it is the roads are prepared for walking, and maybe if you're from Europe or from US or from Canada or from Australia, well, probably it's not a surprise for you that there are roads like this, but actually in Russia it's a very rare story that we have such a places to walk, because usually when you go to a park you go like on the ground, like rough park in a rough Russia. And here is like a toilet, if you're interested how it looks like. It's made in some kind of antique house. And what is that? What is that? That's actually a rope park. I'm pretty sure that it's closed because right now it is Monday or Tuesday, and you cannot go there. But that thing is called on Russian language rope park, and basically you just go there and climb all this stuff. Yeah, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 floors, and actually usually that's not only for children, even adults do it, so it's pretty big. And the best part of it, that it's yellow. Ha! There's also a gym under the sky here, different things that you can do with, like this is a gym for your mind. There are balls, and you're supposed to put these balls on a special place. But there is even more classical gym here as well. Follow me. So there's like a wooden bicycle, not like completely wooden, but yeah, just sit here, and then you push your legs like that. Yeah, I'm not gonna sit because it's under the trees and it's a bit dirty here, but you can sit here. It's like a super bicycle. I'm doing it the wrong way, sorry guys. Yeah, like that. Of course, I need to sanitize my hands after it. Yeah, now let's continue. There is a special exercises for your mind. For example, try to find the difference from these pictures, and I can see the only difference. Yeah, the clouds are a bit. Oh, there's a line, but beneath the clouds, and here you should find 13 eagles on this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
and so on and so forth.
There's also a road, a SWAT road, which you can should run very fast. Yeah, it's a easy exercise because I've done it like a couple times already. There are some cute little benches like this one, and look there, white benches all over the park, and a trash can right near to it. And here it is written that these are combined garbage, so you can throw there some food garbage, plastic, and even some kids' trousers probably. I don't know why. And it's like there are divided garbage where you divide plastic and bottles and paper, and you need the pictures of it. But here, like a regular trash can where you just combine, put all the trash, all combined trash, and there is a special sticker for it. Like, I'm not going close to the lake because it's windy and very cold near the water, but you can see from here that it's a pretty big lake. It continues and goes there and goes, and there are even small ducks there.
Yeah, they're so cute.
By the way, one of the advantage of this park, or many other parks in Russia, is that you can also walk not only on the roads, but also on the ground. Yeah, that little thing above on the tree is called skvoreshnik in Russian, and that can be translated as Starling House. The house of a starling. That's a small bird, but actually that's a house for any bird, and we have a lot of these things hanging on the trees in forests and even in parks like this. We also have a special lesson at school where people where kids do something with their hands from the woods, and they also try to make this Starling House and skvoreshniks 1 and 2. There's another one.
Yay! 3 birds now have a place to live in.
I guess there are far more birds here than 3. By the way, if you want to feed the birdies or the squirrels and you don't have anything to feed them with, there is a vending machine for pets. Yes, just put some money in, and the prices are around $1.5, $1.50, and there's like some bread for birds and some seeds for the squirrels. Yeah,
Like a squirrels and birdie vending machine. Alright.
there is a big parking lot here for about 150 cars. As you can see, it's almost empty because right now it's Tuesday, and the prices for the parking are not so high. It's around $1.50 for 3 hours, and each next hour will cost you about 50 cents. Yeah! This parking lot is super close to the park itself. Here is the parking lot, and there is the park. Just cross the road and you're in. Finally, the lake. There's an island here, and at the summer you can find boats, so you can rent a boat and even swim here. Here's like 2 ducklings.
Oh, ducklings, what's up? What's up?
And far there, you can see the house. It's actually a castle or a mansion, a very famous mansion. And next time I will film this mansion and this castle. So stay tuned and subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet.
That was one, and see you next time.
Yeah. Bye.